Hi everyone, welcome back to Math with Amala. Let's start a new part of your chapter. Number 9, data handling of grade 6. What do you mean by data? A data is a collection of numbers gathered to give some information. So we will have some data in order to be grouped to represent that in some other ways in order to identify the data when we have a lot of data with us. So we will group them and we will number them, and they will be gathered to give us some another information which is very much important for us. How to record this data? According to the available data and frequency repetition, make suitable marks in a table, array or a column. So you can mark them in table, in an array or in a column according to the available data. So the data can be like the number of colors, the number of students, or the total number of people who are living in a society, or the population change, whatever be. So according to the type of data, you can create some tables, array or a column. Now how to organize this data? Organization of data can be done using tally marks in tables, and we use the frequency tables. For this organization, we are using generally the tally marks. Let's see how we can use the tally marks. Tally marks are represented by some four standing lines and one sleeping line, or like it is having a slanted line. So it is a slanted line. And when we have four quantities or four units, you will have four standing lines. And when we have another one, that 4 plus 1, that last one will be represented with a slanted. There will be a slant. So you can count that complete group as a 5 united one. So the total number of elements inside that will be 5. For example, let us have some data like 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, like that. So if we have two ones, you will mark two standing lines. And if you have one more one, you will give three standing lines. Likewise, if according to the number of elements that we are having, we will increase the number of standing lines, and when it reaches or crosses 4, you can give the fifth one with the slanted line. Okay, here we have 3 units, and 3 into 5 is equal to 15. We don't want to count each one by one, we just want to count the number of groups. Now the frequencies are marked with the tally marks. What do you mean by frequency? The type of repetitions, or the repetitions that we can see in this data. And the group of tally marks are calculated as a unit of 5. Okay, so each group is calculated as a unit of 5. Next, we can have another kind of representation which is called the pictograph. Pictograph represents data through pictures or objects, pictures of objects. It helps answer the questions on the data at a glance. And it is used in dailies and magazines to attract readers' attention. So you would have got the idea of pictograph and where we are using it. So we are using it in order to get an attraction. And that pictograph, you can interpret the pictograph like this. You can count the available pictures near the question keyword. Okay, so you will have a keyword inside the question and count how many are there inside in total in the given pictograph, and calculate by using the scale of pictograph which is given at the corner, at the right corner or somewhere at the corners. You can see a scale, and by using the scale you can have a correct picture or correct counting of what we are having with. Next, a single picture may indicate multiple entries. So a single picture can indicate multiple entries, as the question indicates in the textbook. You can move to this question. Question number 5 of your textbook, which is from the exercise portion. The number of girl students in each class of a co-educational middle school is depicted by the pictograph. So there we have only girl students, and you can see that the picture over there have some full girl figures and also half faces also given, and one face is representing 4 girls. Okay, so when it is cut into some half, you can see that it is only representing 2 girls. In class 1 you have 1 2 3 4 5 faces. So sorry, 6 faces. So the 6 faces will lead to 6 into 4, that means 24 girls in class 1. And in class 2, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 full faces and 1 half face. So 4 into 4, 16 plus the half face, that is 2. 16 plus 2 is 18. Likewise, you can compute this. Observe this pictograph and answer the following questions. Which class has the minimum number of girl students? It's clear that in grade 8 you have only 4 plus 2, 6 girls. B part, is the number of girls in class 6 less than the number of girls in 5? In grade 5 you have 4 plus 4 plus 2, that is 10, and grade 6 it is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is 4 into 4, that is 16. So you can see that number of girls in class 6 is more than the number of girls in 5. 6 more. Okay. Next, the C part, how many girls are there in class 7? In class 7 you have 3 faces, that means each face indicates 4, so 3 into 4 is 12 girls. Keep practicing and don't forget to follow this channel for more updates. Thank you all for watching the video. Please be stay tuned for the upcoming parts of your classes.